This problem is called second GreatLow. So it says have the function second GreatLow. It is going to take an array and return the second lowest and second greatest number respectively, separated by a space. For example, if array contains this, then the output should be 12 and 98 because 12 is the second lowest and 98 is the second highest or the greatest. The array will not be empty and will contain at least two numbers. It can get tricky if there are just two numbers. So, how are we going to solve this? First thing we are going to do is let's take this example. We are going to take this and we are going to sort it. It is already sorted, but uh, a lot of the numbers will not be sorted. So we are going to sort this. We are going to sort it. After sorting it, we can see that there are a lot of duplicates. So we need to remove the duplicates. And to do that, we need to use the filter method of JavaScript. Filter. Now, what this filter is going to do, let's first have a look at the filter. The filter method of array instance creates a shallow copy of a portion of a given array, filtered down to just the element from the given array that passes the test implemented by the provided function. So we are going to initiate a test, and whichever and the items that pass the test will be included in that filtered array. So if we look here, we can see that in the first argument it is going to take the element, and in the second argument it is going to take the index. This is very important. In the second argument it is going to take the index. So we are going to use the filter, and in the filter we're going to use a function, and we are going to say that if the index of the item is equal to the index, only then we are going to include that in an array. So what does that mean? So let's have a look at the index of. The index of method of array instance returns the first index. It only returns the first index at which a given element can be found in the array, or -1 if it is not present. So what it means is that it is going to look for the first index. So if we look here, you can see that the first index is 0. So, and the index, if I put two parameters, item and index, then for the first element, the index is also going to be 0. But array index of item, for the second element, the item, the index is going to be 0 also. Why? Because array index of it is going to find that it is going to find the first index which a given element can be found in the array. So it is only going to return the first index, and it is going to say, okay, array index of item, it is going to be 0. But in this case, the index is going to be 1. So they do not match the condition. So this will not be taken. This is not going to be taken. Only this one is going to be taken. So after this filter, we are going to get this. We are going to get this. So here we can easily find out the second lowest element and the second greatest element by using array 1, and if I want to start from the last, then it is going to be array dot length -2. So, and if there are only two elements, what are we going to do? If there are only two elements, then it means that which one is the second lowest? 12 is the second lowest, right? So it is going to be, the second lowest is going to be 12, and the first one now, and the second highest is going to be also 7. So we are going to say that it is 0. So if there is only two elements here. Now let's code it up. First, we are going to sort it. Sort the array. We are going to take a function, parameter AB. We are going to sort it in the ascending order. So A minus B, we have sorted. Now we are going to remove the duplicates. So we are going to let unique array. We are going to take a function, and this is, let's call it position. Array dot index of item is going to be equal to position. If it is, then we are going to get the unique array. Now, if there are only two elements in the array, use this. So we are going to use if unique array dot length is equal to 2, then we are going to return unique array 1 plus it is going to be separated by a gap space and then unique array 0. Otherwise, return unique array 1 or unique array dot length minus 2 and gth minus 2. So let's see if it passed the test cases. It has passed all the test cases. Great.